Right, welcome back. Today we're going to take you through how to change the oil on one of these. This is Christie's Benelli BN125. Christy is learning all about bikes, how to ride bikes, how to service them and all that jazz. So I'm going to do absolutely nothing apart from drink this coffee and talk her through how to service this bike. If you want to know how to change the oil on one of these, really easy job, simple, anyone can do it. Follow this video. I'll see you after the intro. Right, what's the first thing we got to do?
Oh, I don't know, oil?
Oil. We've got to start the bike up to make the oil a bit more viscous. Is that the word, viscous?
Viscosity.
That will then...
That one?
Yeah, viscosity, that's right. Yep, make sure the kill switch is on. That's it. That's the fuel pump. Nice. So we'll let it warm up for like a couple minutes, not very long. We don't want it to get really hot. We just want it hot enough so the oil will then be more flowy, viscous. That's it. So quick start up, not too warm. Don't want it up to fully temperature. It's just a quick run. Cool. So it's a little bit warmer now. Just a little bit of temperature to the touch. Not too hot. Yes. Drain it. Oil catch can. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Falling at the fast.
Are you strong enough? Get some strength in you.
Who did this?
Me. Nice. Nice.
Just cut that bit out.
Yeah, it's probably welded itself in there with all the metal shards in it from my own bike.
That was next level.
Cool. So what we need to find is the oil drain plug. So where is it? It's right there. I'll give you a hint, it's this side.
Oh, telling me that now, like all the way down here.
Yeah. So it's on the left-hand side of the bike, right here. Remember, when you undo this, the oil is going to leak straight out of it. So
Yeah,
make sure.
out here.
Yeah, but it will flow out quite quick. And with the oil thing, you have to take this out as well. Otherwise, it won't. There won't be like an air.
I swear you've done these on purpose.
Do you get it?
That one was easy.
So you have to undo that in order for the oil to go in. Cool.
Boom. Ready?
Yep, you're doing it up.
That's left.
No, it's not. That's right.
Oh my goodness. Pulled at the first hurdle.
That's it. I don't want to tell you this, but
It's not a thingy one.
the clicking is not right. You don't want to hear that.
Is it now gonna...
There we go, you got a bit of force now.
Jesus Christ. I'm not cut out for this. Are you joking? Did Sam do this up last? Sam, if you're watching this, this is jokes. This is utter jokes. He's joking me.
Don't do it too hard.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we've cracked it off. You can do it by hand now. You don't have to use your... remember, it's going to piss out with oil.
With pressure or?
No, there should be a little filter on it as well. There'll be a bit of pressure, maybe. There we go. It's fine, it's fine. Put it out. Don't drop that in there because you need to go and get it out again. But look at the colour of it. Black. Horrible.
Yeah, why is it looking like that?
Well, oil over time just gets like darker and darker, whereas fresh oil is like usually like red.
That is... yeah.
Nice. Cool. Not too much oil to come out of this bike.
You say that, I'm just gonna keep going.
No. Right, we'll let that drain off for a while. Okay, while that's draining, we can now do what? Snap to when she knows the answer. We can do the oil filter on the other side.
We can do the oil filter on the other side.
Yeah, right. Where do we find the oil filter on the Benelli? I'll tell you where, to save everyone's pain. It's behind this cover, which are held on at 10 Nm each. just for reference. And here is obviously the oil cap, and we're going to fill it back up once we've done this filter. So what size socket do you need?
What, like to take a stab at it?
Well, yeah, there's a load of random sockets here.
I'm gonna
very
say
neatly organised.
Like maybe a 5 mil? Right, 8 mil.
8 mil. Is any oil going to come out of this when you undo this?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Why?
It's coming out the other side.
Come on
Are you sure?
then. Oil will come out.
It will.
Yes, an oil filter. The oil runs through it.
So we'll just
Cover your bases and your garage floor.
bring the bump.
So this bike actually came with oil and a filter from our good friend Sam. And he has got this HF112. No idea if this is good brand or not.
There's a top bit, a spring.
But we're using it.
You want the spring? And all those lovely bits?
Ah, did you see what order that came off in?
No. Yeah, of course.
You did?
Spring. Yeah, spring then top.
What way round it came off in?
No, it fell out. Why didn't we take this out?
Yep, I'm taking the F.
Should I take this one out first?
Oil filter. No. This one's a brand new one. So just take that out.
Okay.
Cool. Next step, we can put the new oil filter in.
Cool. Is there a way round this goes? I'll take it that way.
Quite sexy. Okay, the oil filter. Rubber hole. Some people remove this rubber, but I think it's meant to stay on because it creates a seal that goes in that way. Spring goes on here, and then you do it back up. There's an arrow on the case, so you know which way faces upwards, like so. That's it.
Right, and then I just try to get these bad boys back in.
I'm going to edit this to make it fast.
Right.
Slow for
Going
us.
as fast. Okay.
We won't tell her what she's doing wrong.
Am I going the wrong way
We'll
right
let
now?
her figure it
Aren't I?
out for herself. It's
I'm
also
just
good
like
practice.
spanner.
Well, I like to. The rubber seal around the cover, usually on an oil filter if you've got an external oil filter. Just dip your finger in new oil and rub it around the seal. This was coated in oil, so I'm not bothering. But with an external filter, it's good practice. I feel like it makes a better seal. Seal.
Ew.
Okay, so next, oil plug. Let's make sure. Cool, so the filter's gone back in. This oil drain plug goes up to how much torque?
15 newtons.
Nice, so let's talk that up. Next, we now have to put in some oil. I have a lot of oil. You have some oil. We've got loads of oil. There you go. Lovely. Ready for a funnel. Big funnel. It's a bit too big really, but... Okay, what oil we got for this bike?
We've got 10W40.
10W40. How much oil goes in this bike?
I have no idea, but I'd imagine it just goes up to the halfway point, and hopefully I can see it through that little window.
It's actually not a bad answer, to be fair, but
Is there a better answer?
the real answer is if you're changing the oil filter, it's 1.2 litres, and if you're not changing the oil filter, you're just doing an oil change, it is 1 litre.
1 litre.
But you are right in saying we should check the window, the glass window here,
Greatness.
to make sure it's where it should be. Sorry, my funnel was way too big.
Not quite the best fit.
I get told it's too big a lot.
Ridiculous. So it's the whole litre then?
The whole thing, just don't chug it in there too quickly, just make sure it goes in there. Glug glug. Nothing in the window yet. So we have some action in the window, but that is 1 litre, right?
You're not going too far now.
Nah,
Do you think?
I can still see a window.
I can still see a window.
Okay, cap needs to go back on. Three centuries later. Right, what's now? Everything's done, is it not?
No, we've done that, we've tightened it around the other side. That's all of it for the oil. Do you have to heat it up to go around again?
So I like to start the bike just after you've done an oil change. And then I like to see this window again later on to make sure when it's fully settled that you've got the right amount in there. But looking at it, we've slightly overfilled it, but it shouldn't be all right. It should be okay.
Okay.
Cool. So a good thing to look for whilst you've started it is just to check with the bolts you've had off. Check the bolt, check the other side, the oil filter, to make sure that nothing's leaking. Just as a precautionary thing. I wiped it down already because there's a bit of oil on it, but just check here.
Yeah, it's fine.
Beautiful. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on your Benelli BN125. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now. Bye.